We've all been touched one way or the other, either through our own families, friends, associates with healthcare challenges. So what we're trying to do is address some of those issues by bringing about an improvement in the healthcare of all those patients that are directly affected by infectious disease, oncology, aging.
The vision for medicine in the future is personalized medicine. Translating what we find to the lab into the clinic is very, very difficult.
What we are doing is developing a critical mass of those types of researchers where they can collegially work together and do so much more.
We've organized this incredible team that we brought to Port St. Lucie that really can take these discoveries that we have on the bench and put them into practice.
We're developing the therapies and we're taking those to the clinic, and so that's called translational research, which means translating from the laboratory the new discoveries into the clinic to bring that to the patients.
The first scientist that I brought in here was Rafik Sekali, who is one of the world-renowned human immunologists that uses systems biology and genetics approaches to understanding disease.
And like a lot of Canadians, I'm not here to retire. I had 65 people in my life in Canada, and I had a family, a house. I left everything to come here and build this institute. This is because I really want to make a difference.
My job is to enhance the capability of our scientists, to ensure that we have the support for them, the laboratories operationally, and to fund them.
The role of immunology in curing these diseases has for a long time been unexplored. I think now we have the tools, to use the immune system as a new arm or in the arsenal of drugs and therapies against the diseases. So the time is right.
We have now laid the framework to work with many different institutions and many biopharmaceutical and biotechnology companies.
There's a lot of people who are coming to us, with new clinical trials, new samples, always knocking on our door. Trying to collaborate with us. I spend my life, traveling, going all over the world. To collaborate with people because they're very interested in the approach that you have done.
The camaraderie that the institutes and the universities and the state and the city and the county have offered to us has really been quite unique. It makes me see that people appreciate what we're doing, and having their support is critical for the advancement of the institute.
I'll retire when at least I'll be recognized for bringing a cure to either HIV or to cancer. That's something that's very, very important to me.
These are diseases that impact not only on young people, but also on elderly people. It impacts everyone.
These next 5 years are very critical in building out the rest of the laboratories and bringing in the top researchers and getting their research translated into health.